was quite the boil, and I feel like I'm having deja vu. Is this last Thursday? So if some of these fund managers would have watched my video on Thursday, they could have saved themselves a lot of money by selling on Friday. Without even starting to look at the charts, I can tell it's probably the same thing. Interest rates probably haven't even moved. All the high earnings multiple stocks are going to be going through the floor, and all the banks and low PE stocks and value stocks are going to probably be going through the roof. Let's see how this plays out. We'll start out with YouTuber favorite insurance company Lemonade with all their AI and machine learning. They're down 8.5% today. On Thursday, I said that people would tell me, well, Mark on YouTube, the whole market's down, everything's going down. Let me guess. Let's do it again. Oh my God, I feel I've done this 3,000 times. Okay, well, how did it go? We're going to do MetLife. Allstate. Oh, that was the grunt from last Thursday too. Same grunt. And Aflac. Oh, Jesus. And my dividend favorite, Old Republic. Oh, is this what Warren is doing looking at the charts today? Probably not, because he doesn't even look at charts, but it's kind of the same look I have on my face. If he were to look at the charts, he has that same laugh as Rick Harrison from Pawn Stars. With that NASDAQ down so much, I think we should see how Burke B's doing today. Oh my. Just looking at this chart, which means nothing, I know, but it does make you want to listen to Rick Harrison again.
Well, usually you put your stuff right in there.
Do I even want to go over the high price stocks? It's like so painful. Maybe I should just go back to boiling bottles. If I must. Okay, let's go to $1 trillion company, Palantir. Ugh, not in a good way. Remember several months ago how I said, don't buy Palantir, but buy the businesses that have money that do business with Palantir? Let's see if I can find that comment. This is from 2 months ago. Palantir gets a tiny deal with IBM and everybody goes bonkers for Palantir, while IBM sits there with 70 times the revenue of Palantir at only 2 times the price. Pass the plate of Coke, please. Here's the comment from March 4th. I like Palantir, but not the price. Another strategy is to buy the companies they are teaming up with and providing services like 3M and IBM. They don't seem to take the hits, but probably won't get the big gains either. So that was in March. You got Palantir still hanging around $25. Kind of down substantially. Sorry, everybody. That's no good. If you bought good old, Minnesota Minerals and Mining or something like that, 3M, makes scotch tape. That's pretty boring. Yeah, I don't own them. I just said they were making a lot of money, and proof's in the pudding. And this is when you go to look over to IBM, this is an unloved company, but that money's just flowing. I don't know why people fall in love with all these other software companies that just don't really bring any money. These guys are revenues tops $70 billion. Yeah, but they're a dying company, Mark. Okay, buy the dip. Okay, let's go to where it's really at. What could that be? Oh, genomics. That's right. Let's take a look at CRISPR. Oh yeah, here it comes. Oh man, buy the dip. Remember in that Thursday video when I was talking about Kathy stocks? I was like, why would you buy a Workhorse, which is, not having a good day today. Sorry, everybody. Versus Northrop Grumman. Not bad. I'll take it. Or what was it? RTP, which is that SPAC. I think they're going. Is it Joby or Archer? I don't know. I think it's Joby. Like I said, not going to make a lot of money. This is a professional money investor, Kathy Wood, buying this crap. Versus, I think I said General Dynamics. Oh, well, you pick your poison. You want companies that make money or companies that pray they will one day. We have Virgin Galactic is going to report this week. I think my estimate on Virgin Galactic's for revenue is zero. And whoever's giving them money, the investors, Richard Branson, just throwing it down the toilet. But the good news is,
get the fucking money.
We'll go back to Palantir. Oh, shoot. Maybe Plantronics is the way to go. Not. Let's go back to Palantir. Speaking of estimates, I don't really have an estimate, even though I think that Palantir will bring in $400 million revenue for the quarter. But they have to hit 400 to 500 million to warrant their market cap for me. That's just me. If they get above 500 million, well, maybe it's time for me to look at the stock some more.
And so why not me?
I do appreciate all the comments from last Thursday's video. Some companies are overpriced garbage. I'm sorry, that was probably a little harsh to some of those Kathy stocks. Definitely no attack on Financial Savvy Millennial. And 2 thumbs up. Go check out the channel and subscribe. Then we got Viola Rules, if I said that right. That was a great comment. Basically, just YouTubers talking about companies in an attractive, exciting way, no matter what the financials are. Like I said, I'm putting up charts just to give you a quick glance. I don't really care how people make money or how these companies make money. I want to take that activity of making money and making me money. So if you're cleaning out poo-poo or sending rockets to space, you have to be making money. Even though Mark on YouTube's portfolio is having a golden age in the last couple months, I still am taking risks. Full disclosure, one of my risks is BP. I had done a video when oil was about $37 a barrel, how I absolutely would not touch an oil company, especially BP. But now that oil has been above $60 for WTI, my tune has changed quite a bit. As long as that oil price can stay above 60, an oil major like BP should do very well. I'm in at about $25 a share, so you can track my progress and tell me how bad I suck when it goes to zero, but I'm targeting $45 for the stock. But if oil prices drop below 60, I'm going to think about heading for the doors. I don't think I'll stay around till the close. That's about another hour, but maybe we'll go through some of these other YouTube faves. Let's see how are you all doing in Zoom? T-Doc, that's always a fun one. Okay, maybe I should. Kathy Woods must own that. Today was not a good day. Look at those numbers. Terrible. NASDAQ. What were we looking at? We were looking at that Teladoc. I'm like, it's too expensive. How much? What? 141. Okay, not too. Yeah, no, never mind. I was gonna say not too bad. That's terrible. Is there anything else? So that Chamath IPOE. Okay, not bad. I didn't lose that much. How's Warren doing at this Bank of America? No, he lost big money there today. 0.31%. I gotta confess, I actually have a couple quote unquote tech stocks. Not a huge fan, but they're kind of making money, and I'm just holding on until they report. That would be Mimecast. That was actually from that Tom Nash dude. I just was like, you know what? Forget about it. Just buy some. Odd. I thought that would be crushed. Same with Dropbox. I would think that would be crushed. It's not bad. It's just hanging in there. Yeah, maybe we'll finish this one up with Tesla. Let's see how they did. Yeah, I mean, why check this every day? But still, man, that's not a happy day in my opinion. I mean, I don't know. Some people like it when the stock goes down so they can buy more and be happy, but I don't like it. I don't want to ever reset. Or as Kathy Wood said with her dropping portfolio, oh, we're getting set up for more returns. It could definitely be that she's buying and selling. Not all these funds, buy and hold. Sometimes they're in and out daily. I imagine she's holding some things for the long run, but just because I say something like T-Doc is going down and she's buying more doesn't mean that she'll have that tomorrow. So we shall see. That's another thing. Make no mistake. This lady's pretty darn smart, so I'm not trying to cut her down. I'm just saying that some picks of hers in particular for a long run, not very sharp if you want your stock to go up. I actually like the fact that she bought John Deere for innovation or space exploration and innovation ETF. It's bizarre. You might as well buy Caterpillar, which with the industrials going up, I still think they're pricey, but, well, I'd say a safer bet than some of these other tech stocks. Do you really like sit down with Kathy Wood, think you're going to talk about something like Caterpillar? Hopefully tomorrow is a little better, and maybe there's some beaten down stocks that we could pick up at better pricing.